Well, what's a safety case? A safety case for autonomous vehicles looks like this. There's a claim, it's a property of the system, such as the system avoids hitting pedestrians. There are one or more arguments. The arguments are why that claim should be true. For example, we avoid hitting pedestrians by detecting and maneuvering to avoid. Each argument is backed by either sub-arguments or evidence. In this case, evidence might be tests, analyses, simulations, and so on. So the idea is you have a claim, argument, evidence chain saying, here's why we think we're safe, and then here's the arguments and evidence to back that up. If you have something that's really complex, you're likely to have subclaims and arguments to address the complexity, going claim, argument, subclaim, subclaim, subargument, subargument, all the way down to lots of evidence. So it's expected that a safety case can get fairly big and fairly complex. But ultimately, if you want to say you're safe, there should be a way to explain to someone else why you believe it's safe and what the evidence is to back that up. For a claim of we don't hit pedestrians, it would be perhaps we detect pedestrians and here's some evidence that's true. We maneuver around detected pedestrians and here's why that's true. And if for some reason we can't maneuver, then we're going to be able to stop and here's why that's true.